COVID-19 scare has gripped another government agency in Delhi after an officer of the Niti Aayog tested positive for COVID-19. But there is a good news too. Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan said the doubling rate of COVID-19 cases has improved. Here's the report.
Niti Aayog hit by COVID-19 as officer tests positive. New Delhi. The coronavirus seems to be making inroads into the Lutyens zone in Delhi. After the Rashtrapati Bhavan and the Civil Aviation Ministry, it is now Niti Aayog. An officer in the Policy and Planning Institution has tested positive for COVID-19. The Niti Aayog building was sealed for 48 hours and the contacts of the patient were asked to go into self-quarantine. The country may be witnessing a steady rise in the number of COVID-19 cases, but Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan is looking at the brighter side. He said the doubling rate of cases has improved from what it was before the lockdown was announced.
So pre-lockdown, our doubling rate of cases was around 3 days. But when I talk to you today, for the last 14 days, our doubling rate had been 8.7, and for the last 7 days it had been 10.2, and today for the last 3 days when we calculate it is roughly 10.9. So I think that's a very, very significant progress.
300 plus districts unaffected by pandemic, Union Health Minister.
Just over 300 districts are thoroughly unaffected by the disease. About 300 districts again are our non-hotspot districts where we have just very few cases, and roughly 129 districts are the ones where we have significant number of cases, say more than 15 or maybe slightly less than 15, which we call as hotspots.
The Union Health Minister also claimed that the country would start producing RT-PCR and antibody test kits and meet a daily production target of 1 lakh tests by May 3rd.
मई के महीने में RT-PCR की किट और इसी प्रकार से एंटीबॉडी टेस्ट की किट, ये दोनों चीज़ें जो है हम भारत के अंदर ही इसका प्रोडक्शन जो है करके, सब चीज़ें एडवांस्ड स्टेज में है. बहुत जल्दी ICMR की क्लियरेंस होते ही विद इन ए वीक वो सब चीज़ें प्रोडक्शन स्टेज में चली जाएंगी. जैसा कि हमारा टारगेट है कि 31 मई तक हम 1 लाख टेस्ट देश में करना चाहते हैं हर रोज़. उस टारगेट को अचीव करने में भी ये डेवलपमेंट हमें बहुत मदद करेगी.
Dr. Harshvardhan's ministry has released fresh guidelines on home isolation for COVID-19 patients. Currently, those who test positive for the pandemic are immediately isolated and admitted in hospitals. Under the new guidelines, patients with very mild symptoms or pre-symptomatic patients who have the requisite facilities to keep themselves isolated in their homes are allowed to stay in home quarantine.
ICMR ने ये जो अपना नया निकाला है गाइडलाइन, ये बहुत ही इट्स ए वेलकम स्टेप. इसलिए कि जिस घर में अगर आपके पास कमरा है, वेल वेंटिलेटेड कमरा है और उसमें टॉयलेट सेपरेट है और आपके खाने की सुविधा के लिए आपके दरवाज़ा रख सकता है, इस तरह की सुविधा है अगर आप, और माइल्ड सिम्टम है, तो निश्चित रूप से घर का एनवायरनमेंट बेटर होता है साइकोलॉजिकली भी, और जो क्वारंटाइन में रहने वाले पॉजिटिव कोविड पे लोग हैं उनके लिए निश्चित रूप से ये बहुत अच्छी गाइडलाइन है.
In a relief for shopkeepers selling electrical appliances, the Delhi government has allowed such shops to open in safe zones.
सर कल से खोलना शुरू किया है. जैसे जैसे रिक्वायरमेंट आ रही है लोगों की कि पंखा चाहिए, कुछ चाहिए, तो इस हिसाब से गवर्नमेंट ने हमारे लिए एक सुविधा निकाली है कि पंखे की शॉप खोल सकते हैं जिससे रिक्वायरमेंट आ रही है. और सोशल डिस्टेंस का भी पालन किया जा रहा है. जैसे जैसे रिक्वायरमेंट पंखों, कूलर्स, फैंस, पंप्स, तो इससे की डिमांड आ रही थी कि पंखे के बिना रह नहीं सकते, गर्मी है, तो इसलिए इसी कारण हमें दुकान खोलनी पड़ी है.
Lalu's son flags COVID-19 scare for his father. after a patient at the Rajendra Institute of Medical Sciences in Jharkhand tested positive. RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav sought special care for his father and former Bihar Chief Minister Lalu Prasad Yadav. Tejasvi flagged the issue as Lalu Prasad Yadav is admitted at this medical institute and is being treated by the same unit of doctors as the COVID patient.
It's really worrisome to know about the doctors treating my dad may have got infected to COVID. I joined 12 crore Biharis to echo their concerns. At 72 with multiple life-threatening chronic diseases, he is most vulnerable to corona and hence should be taken care with utmost precaution.
Corona warriors discharge duty despite attack. Ambala, Haryana. Ignoring repeated appeals to not discriminate against COVID-19 patients and attack corona warriors, residents of a village in Ambala clashed with the police over the cremation of a suspected COVID-19 patient.
और यहाँ के गांव के लोगों ने लॉकडाउन को तोड़ते हुए यहाँ गांव के 200-400 आदमी इकट्ठे हो गए। इनको समझाने की कोशिश करी लेकिन नहीं माने, जिन्होंने पुलिस की टीम पे, डॉक्टरों की टीम पे और हमला किया, एम्बुलेंस के शीशे तोड़े, जिनके खिलाफ जो भी कानूनी कार्रवाई बनेगी उसके खिलाफ कार्रवाई करेंगे।
The country has been successful in containing the spread of COVID-19 to a large extent, and once rapid tests take place on a large scale, it will help to know where more effort needs to be put to minimize the threat of the pandemic. A News 9 report.